Hi everyone, welcome to IoT. I am back. Yes, I do sound a little bit different today. That's because I'm suffering from a little bit of a sore throat. And no, it's not coronavirus. I've had a test done and I've had my first jab, by the way. So this is just a quick video just to show you my new studio setup. Yes, look at that. Amazing. I got 6,000 pixels across the two monitors there. Of course, my 34-inch ultra wide and my 28-inch 4K TV with my 4K keep saying 4K TV, 4K monitor, 2K ultra wide, and a 4K TV up there, which is just showing a looped video on YouTube, which I'll leave a link in the video description below. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of my desk and show you how those magical lights are working behind me at the bottom of the desk and around the TV. And I will be making a short video, well, hopefully a short video, on how you too can make your own addressable RGB lights that's controlled via an app. So make sure you subscribe for that one. I also want to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me so far and my journey of YouTubeness. As of today, 754 subscribers. I've nearly reached 1,000. So I just need, what, 240 odd more people. And then I will then start earning money off YouTube, because I would have hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and over 4,000 hours of video watch time as well. Once I do get some money from YouTube, then I'll be making more videos about more technology products, and I would like your input as well. So what else would you like to see from my channel? Obviously I'm going to do a studio setup. I do tons of microphones at the moment. I've got a few microphones lined up in the future as well for you. But give me some ideas. What would you like to see on this channel? Drop a comment below and I'll see what I can do for you in the future. So let's have a look around my desk and I'll show you what it's made of and how much I paid for it as well, which is amazing. So this huge desk here is 160 centimeters by 90 centimeters. A nice deep desk compared to this IKEA one that I've got, which is what, 1.20 meters by 60. That desk I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for an amazing price of $0. Yes, absolutely free. Couldn't believe it. So I was looking for worktops because I moved into a new place and I wanted something a bit more sturdier than an IKEA desk that's hollow in the inside, and having my ultra wide monitor on this on a monitor stand that's clamped to the desk started bowing. So I wanted a solid wooden desk. I was looking at worktops on eBay and other places, and then I went to Facebook Marketplace and I seen dining room tables. I was like, wow, that's a nice big one, nice big desk, 160 by 90, loads of leg room underneath, got space for my amplifier under there as well. And yes, well, I see one for £20, I see one for free. So when I picked it up on my mate's car, because his back seats can go down in his car, just about fitted the table in there, brought it back. I had to cut some wedges out the back for the monitor arms to clamp to the desk, but it's such a nice desk, it's the right height. My chair just about fits under there, this chair that I'm on now, by the way. And yeah, I sit on that side of the desk all day working. And then when I finish, then I either watch TV, stick the chair in the recline mode, and watch TV up there, or I just scoot on over to this side and either play games or I do some video editing or choose some music for my upcoming videos. So the monitor arms I'm using are by Duronic. Now I first bought one for the ultra wide and I took out one of the links for it. And when I've moved house, I've accidentally lost one of the links. So I had to buy a different one, and unfortunately I couldn't get it in the silver color, but I managed to get it in black. So nobody can see it anyway, but you know it's there, I know it's there. So when I finally unpack all my stuff, I'll probably find the grey silver link to put back in the arm. I'll have a spare one. But yeah, got for the ultra wide one first, and then because I bought the 4K monitor to work from all time, now I'm continuously working from home because the office is now been let out to different companies because we're not going to go back to the office anymore. So I'm now working from home on a 4K monitor, connected up to the works laptop, which is over there on a monitor stand with a separate keyboard, separate mouse. That's why, yes, there are two keyboards and mices. And I got another monitor arm for that one. That's why they look so perfect next to each other. 6,000 pixels across, amazing. So under the desk is a complete rat nest of cabling. Thankfully it's a solid wood table, so I've just put some screws in there, hung the extension leads on there. So I've got about 4 smart plugs under there. Got one for the table, the lights behind the table, one for the PC, one for the laptop, and then one for the TV. Yes, here I've got 4 smart plugs into there. So they're all voice controlled via Google. 2 of them are Tapo, no, one of them's Tapo, which is part of TP-Link and the kind of cheaper Casa brand. And then the other 2 are Casa smart plugs for the TV and for the PC and for the laptop, I believe, yes. But yeah, cable management, nobody can see it. So I can't see it, so it doesn't bother me at all. Where else do we have? Oh, on this side of the desk, I've got my Denon amplifier that's connected via optical to my PC, and of course to my Samsung 4K TV up on the wall there. So at least I'm getting the nice digital sound through my Mission speakers up by there. Currently, I've only got one light in the studio because there's a bed in the way. So I've only got the one light at the moment with a honeycomb filter on the front of it, and I've got a reflector by there, but I don't think it's doing that much. My camera, it's about 2 meters away from me at the moment, and I can't just about see what I'm filming really. All I know is that I'm in the middle of the grid, so I can see my outlines of my speakers, the TV, the monitors, and my keyboard and mice, and of course me here as well. You can hear me because I can see the VU meter flashing away on the screen there. So yes, I am back. I just wanted to make this little video just to let you know what's happening, where I've been. I've just taken a month off because I've moved house and other things that have been happening around me. So I am back making more videos. So if you'd like to send me some products for me to review and unbox on my amazing desk with the amazing background, then don't forget to find my email address in my about part of YouTube. So anyway, this is it for me. IoT X on Tech. I'll catch you again on the next one. Hopefully I'll sound a little bit better. Thank you very much once again for watching. Have a good evening. Have a good day. Have a good wherever you are. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.